I'm therefore, Program Director, proposing that 3 war rooms in accordance with the 3 objectives of the medium-term development plan as decided by the Cabinet be established. This will include a war room on economy and jobs, a war room on poverty and hunger, a war room on clean governance, prioritizing the 10 to 15-day payment cycles and transformative procurement, and most critically, a war room on economy and jobs. The issue, ladies and gentlemen, of 10 to 15-day payment cycle is very critical because often small businesses get destroyed because of late payments. So it is very important that as government we take this seriously to ensure that when people have provided goods and services, they need to be paid and paid on time. All these war rooms will not follow the normal cabinet process. I'm sure Minister Tau and Minister Lamola and Minister Ndabeni know what I'm talking about. So as cabinet, we are very thorough, so we take a bit of time dealing with this issue. But these war rooms, instead, will take a different approach. We want them to take a deliverology approach, which is a discipline of getting things done faster. Set targets, time frames, monitor progress. We will take stock, or will do stock take, deep dives, and intervene decisively where there is no progress. This is very important, ladies and gentlemen, because often government fails in its programs because of lack of implementation or slow implementation. So what we'll do as government and the private sector, which is represented here today, is to ensure that all of us, both private sector and government, are represented in these war rooms. And we'll ensure that it's a simple representation to make sure that we get things done.